Welcome back to Easy English Friends. Ben, how are you today?
I'm good, Emma. A bit sleepy, but happy to be here.
Same here. I had a big coffee. Oh, by the way, I got a message from a student this morning.
Uh-oh, good news or bad news?
Good question. She wrote, "People speak fast. I always say, I don't understand. I feel shy." That hit my heart.
Yeah, I hear that a lot.
Me too. So today, let's help. Let's stop saying, I don't understand, and say smarter repair phrases.
Nice. Survival English. Fix the conversation. Don't freeze.
Exactly. Sometimes you understand 70%, but one word is missing, or the person speaks very fast. You need repair lines.
And I don't understand can stop the talk.
Right. It's not wrong, but it's heavy. It makes a wall. We want a bridge.
A bridge. I like that.
Great. First, why it matters. Real life is noisy. People speak fast. Trains are loud. Coffee shops are busy. And our brains need a second.
True. My brain sometimes needs 5 seconds.
Same here. So we use soft repair phrases, not I don't understand. Instead, we say friendly lines that guide the other person.
Soft repair. I like it.
Try this. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry. I didn't catch that.
Good. Short, kind, natural. Say it once more with a small smile in your voice.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Perfect. Now, another classic. Could you say that again?
Could you say that again?
Easy, right? You can also add please. Could you say that again, please? It sounds very polite.
Could you say that again, please?
Beautiful. And when someone speaks too fast, try, could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Put a little stress on slowly, like this. Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Nice. Hear the longer slow. That helps the listener change their speed.
It's like a tiny traffic sign.
Exactly. Now, another tool. One more time, please.
One more time, please.
And a quick one. Pardon? Very short, very polite.
Pardon?
Great. Now we also need lines to check meaning. Repeat after me. What does mean?
What does deposit mean?
Good choice. And you can ask for spelling. How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
Add hand shape for writing if you want. Also, could you write it down?
Could you write it down?
Perfect. And my favorite. Do you mean?
Do you mean a bank fee?
Exactly. When you guess, the other person can confirm or correct. It keeps the talk moving.
This already feels easier.
Let's do a mini scene. You're at a bakery. The baker says, "Morning. We have a 2-for-1 on croissants if you pay by tap."
Oh no, tap. I know the word, but in this context,
Repair time. Try, sorry, I didn't catch tap. Do you mean contactless with the card?
Sorry, I didn't catch tap. Do you mean contactless with a card?
Boom. Clear and friendly.
And if I'm still not sure?
Add this. Could you show me?
Could you show me?
Great. Many people love to show. Now, another pattern, split the problem. Say, I got the first part, not the last part.
I got the first part, not the last part.
Or, I get the idea, but not the details.
I get the idea, but not the details.
Good. These lines are honest, but they don't stop the talk. They invite help.
Emma, can we practice sound and rhythm?
Of course. Listen, could you say that again? Put a little bounce on "gen."
Could you say that again?
Yes. And for didn't catch that, make it soft and quick. Didn't catch that. The T in didn't can be light.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Nice and smooth. Now, tiny call and response. I'll say a fast line. You slow me down with the repair phrase. Ready?
Ready, I think.
The platform changed to 3. You need the express.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you speak more slowly?
Platform 3 now. Take the express.
Aha, thank you.
Good. Another one? The doctor has a cancellation at 2:30. Can you do that?
I'm not sure I follow. What does have to mean?
Great question. In some places, 2:30 means 2:30. Then you can say, so do you mean 2:30?
So, do you mean 2:30?
Perfect. Ask, check, confirm.
Emma, what about noisy places? I panic in coffee shops.
Use environment words. Try, it's a bit loud. Could you say that again?
It's a bit loud. Could you say that again?
Or, I can't hear well here. One more time, please.
I can't hear well here. One more time, please.
Good. Now a tiny story. You're at a phone shop. The clerk says, your plan includes unlimited data, but capped speed after 50 gigs.
My face. Ha ha ha.
Repair it. Go step by step. You say, I got unlimited data. I didn't get capped speed.
I got unlimited data. I didn't get capped speed.
Then ask for an example. Could you give me an example?
Could you give me an example?
The clerk might say, after 50 gigs, it gets slower. Then you confirm. So it gets slower after 50 gigs, right?
So it gets slower after 50 gigs, right?
Yes. And you can add, thanks for explaining.
Thanks for explaining.
See? No, I don't understand. Still clear, still friendly.
I like this. It feels active.
That's the goal. Another nice phrase is, I'm new to this, or this is my first time. It prepares the other person to go slow.
I'm new to this. This is my first time.
And add kindness. Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for your patience.
Good. Now, let's talk about mishearing words. Maybe you hear ship, but they said shop. Use, do you mean shop as in store?
Do you mean shop as in store?
You can add contrast. Not a boat, right? A store.
Not a boat, right? A store.
Cute and clear. Now, some quick fixes for speed. Listen and echo. Slowly, please.
Slowly, please.
A little slower, please.
A little slower, please.
Could you repeat the last part?
Could you repeat the last part?
Which one? Great for choices.
Which one?
Where exactly?
Where exactly?
Can you point to it?
Can you point to it?
Nice. Now a mini role play. Scene, street directions. I'm a stranger. Ready?
Ready.
Excuse me, the museum is 2 blocks down, then hang a left at the lights, and it's next to the bakery.
Sorry, I didn't catch hang a left. Do you mean turn left?
Yes, turn left at the traffic lights.
Got it. Could you repeat the first part?
2 blocks down.
2 blocks down, thanks.
Smooth! You kept it moving. Next scene, doctor's office. I'm the nurse.
Oh boy. Deep breath.
The doctor will prescribe antibiotics. Take 1 capsule every 8 hours with food. Avoid dairy.
I got 1 capsule every 8 hours. I didn't get avoid dairy. What does avoid dairy mean?
No milk, cheese, or yogurt with the medicine.
Ah, okay. So, no milk, cheese, or yogurt with the medicine, right?
Right.
Thanks for explaining.
Excellent. Notice your pattern. Capture the part you understood. Then repair the rest. It's respectful and clear.
I like that. It feels calm.
Now phone calls. Hard, right?
Very hard. No faces, just sound.
Try these 2. Sorry, the line is not clear. And could you please repeat that number digit by digit?
Sorry, the line is not clear. Could you please repeat that number digit by digit?
And when they give the number fast, you can echo back to confirm. Let me check. 072, is that right?
Let me check. 072, is that right?
Good. Also use I'll repeat to confirm.
I'll repeat to confirm.
Great. Now, some contrast with mistakes. Say what you often say, and I'll fix it.
I say what?
Softer. Pardon? Or sorry?
Pardon?
Better. Next.
I say speak slow.
Make it polite. Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Nice. Next.
I say repeat.
Add magic words. Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Lovely. And if you want to be very kind, I'm still learning. Thanks for your patience.
I'm still learning. Thanks for your patience.
Perfect. Now, pronunciation tips. For could you, it often sounds like coulda. Listen, could you say that again?
Could you say that again?
Yes, soft j. For didn't, you can make the middle light. Didn't. I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that.
Sounds natural. For again, in many places we say again, like 2 beats.
Gain.
Great. And for slowly, stretch it slowly.
Slowly.
Now, micro practice. I'll say a fast sentence. You choose one repair line. Ready?
Let's go.
Pick up for Ben at 6:45.
Sorry, I didn't catch 6:45. Do you mean 6:45?
Yes, 6:45. Nice. Next one. Bring your ID and proof of address.
I get the idea, but not the details. Could you give me an example of proof of address?
A bill or a bank letter with your home address.
Got it. Thank you.
You're doing great. Now, let's personalize. Think of your day. What lines will you use at work?
At work, meetings are fast. I will say, could you repeat the last part? And I'm not sure I follow. Do you mean we start on Monday?
Nice. And in a shop?
In a shop, I'll say, which one? And where exactly? Maybe, could you show me?
Perfect. And on the phone?
The line is not clear. Could you repeat that number digit by digit? Then I'll confirm. Let me check.
Excellent. One more story. You're in a taxi. The driver says, take the outer ring. It's quicker than the inner.
I say, I got quicker. I didn't get outer ring. Could you explain?
The driver says, big road around the city.
Then I say, aha, so the big road around the city. Yes, please.
Great. Notice your tone. Friendly, calm, clear.
I feel more confident already.
That's the magic. Now, let's build a repair chain. Start simple, then go deeper if needed. Listen, first level. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Say it.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
If that doesn't work, second level. Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Still unclear? Third level. Could you repeat the last part?
Could you repeat the last part?
Still confused? Fourth level. Do you mean and guess?
Do you mean platform 3?
If you need details, could you give me an example?
Could you give me an example?
And finish with a confirm. So you want me to bring my passport, right?
So you want me to bring my passport, right?
Wonderful chain. You can stop anytime when you understand.
This is like a toolkit.
Yes, a toolkit for real life. Now a fast review with humor. I'll say, not so good, you fix it. Ready?
Ready.
What?
Pardon?
Huh?
Sorry?
Speak slow.
Could you speak more slowly?
Again.
Could you repeat that, please?
I don't understand.
I'm not sure I follow. Could you say that again?
Perfect. You changed the tone from heavy to helpful.
Emma, what if I feel nervous?
It's normal. Breathe. Smile. Use a soft repair and give a reason if you want. It's a bit loud, or I'm new to this.
It's a bit loud. I'm new to this.
Great. Now a final mini scene at the post office.
Okay.
You can choose tracked, signed, or economy. Delivery window is 3 to 5 business days.
Wow. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you speak more slowly?
You can choose tracked, signed, or economy.
What does tracked mean?
You can see where the package is.
Aha. Could you give me an example?
You get a number, and you can check online.
Got it. So tracked means I can see the package online. I'll take tracked, please.
Clean and clear. You did it.
I feel proud.
You should. Let's wrap up with a friendly recap and conversation. What are your top 3 repair lines?
Number 1. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Number 2. Could you speak more slowly? Number 3. Do you mean? And then I guess.
Nice. I'll add 2 more. Could you repeat the last part? And could you give me an example?
And for phones, the line is not clear. And repeat the number, digit by digit.
For meaning checks, what does mean? How do you spell that? Could you write it down?
And for kindness, I'm still learning. Thanks for your patience.
Perfect. Final rhythm practice. Echo me, nice and short. Pardon?
Pardon?
One more time, please.
One more time, please.
Slowly, please.
Slowly, please.
Which one?
Which one?
Where exactly?
Where exactly?
Do you mean...
Do you mean...
So you want me to write?
So you want me to write?
Lovely! Friends, use these today. On the bus, at a shop, on a call. Keep the talk alive. No fear.
And if I forget, I'll just smile and say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
That's it. It's friendly. It works. You've got this.
Thank you, Coach Emma. This was super helpful.
You're welcome, Ben. And to everyone watching, practice out loud, even for 10 seconds. Repair phrases become strong when you use them.
I'll practice on my way home. If the driver speaks fast, I'm ready.
Good plan. Okay, friends. See you next time on Easy English Friends.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning. Keep smiling.
And remember, small phrases make big progress. See you soon.